Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 2022 Toyota Yaris. This is the hybrid Luna model, finished in a black metallic paint. It's got the low annual road tax, full total service history, and it's sold 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. Now, it takes some features this car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard, with the 15-inch multi-spoke alloys, excellent tyres all around. It's got nice clean bodywork also. It's got a nice size spacious boot for a hatchback, protective boot liner, fold-down seats for additional space, keyless entry, ISOFIX for the car seats on both sides. It's finished in a grey cloth interior with front armrest, electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights, multifunctional steering wheel, a built-in radio, phone and cruise control functions, keyless start, automatic gearbox, automatic handbrake, aircon, USB port, touchscreen radio, a built-in Bluetooth. It's got the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so the reversing camera, car SOS function, and there's 86,829 kilometers on the clock. Here at McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options on this vehicle to suit your needs. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks for watching.